You need to remain and view the complete video we have for you today if you're looking for a quick and easy approach to generate money online. In today's video, you'll learn about a brand new batch of websites that will compensate you $10 for each click. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The first website we'll share with you today is called Surfbucks.com. This is how their website seems. If you scroll down, you can see that this website has speedy payments, detailed statistics, and pays out 1 cent for each click and 1 cent for each referral click. Consider that it is per click even if it doesn't sound like hundreds of thousands or millions. Although this is just an estimate, 500,000 clicks per day are achievable. If you do get 500,000 clicks per day, you'll make $5,000 in a single day. The payment options that are accepted on this website are Payer and Perfect Money. Sadly, they don't accept PayPal, but don't worry, the websites that come after them all allow PayPal in addition to a wide variety of other payment options. Make sure you're still there for it. To start making money with the website, just click the Register button in the top right corner of your screen. You should then be sent to this page. Click Register to create an account, then enter your username, email address, and password to get started earning money right away. The name of the following website is Clicks. To access their website, simply type scarlet-clicks.info into your browser. When you first visit their website, you'll see this: click ads, get paid up to 1 cent each click on advertising. Earn up to 100% from referrals. You can get money by clicking advertisements, finishing deals, and referring new users. After that, you can withdraw money using your Skrill, Neteller, Payer, RTM, or Bitcoin account. Simply $2 is the minimum payout amount. As members, we can make up to $1 every click. Skrill, Neteller, Payer, RTM, and Bitcoin are all accepted as payment methods, and the minimum payout is a shockingly low $2. You might receive up to 100% of referral commissions. Detailed click-through statistics on your recommendations, along with expert assistance. To register here, simply click Register in the top right corner of the screen. You should then be able to do so by following the on-screen directions. You'll have a user account in no time. SERPClicks.com, the third website, is the most effective for us. As you can see, increase your SEO ranks by employing clicks from the public. There is a DIY option that is simple to use, affordable, and you can start using it in less than 60 seconds. They are real clickers just like us, there are no bots used here. So, there is a potential for success for everyone. When a company owner pays SERPClicks, SERPClicks will take a portion of that payment and distribute it to the people who registered as clickers, which includes us. The ability to earn between 5 cents and 10 cents for each click is this site's biggest feature. That's it for today. Please like, share, and subscribe. And press the bell button for getting more such updates.